Hi Investy Besties, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a returning Investy Bestie, thank you so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. So today is Vlogmas day 17, and this video is literally going to be like 3 or 4 minutes long, okay? But I wanted to do a introduction to my first YouTube live that will be this coming Monday at 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I did put a post up this morning asking you guys to leave me any questions that you have. It could be investing, finance, debt, FIRE, retirement, anything along those lines. You can leave it under that post only so that I can kind of go to one place to get all of the questions. Now, if you do want to ask me something more anonymously, you can send me an email. I'll have my email right up here on the screen. But for the most part, you can just leave your question right under that post that I did put up today and put it under that post only. So like I said, I'm not like all over the place trying to find and gather the questions, but I am really so excited to look forward to talking with you guys. I've never done a live before. I've been on other lives. I've been on other podcasts and things of the like, but I've never done my own. So with that said, sometime during this weekend, if you see like a test live on my channel, that is me making sure everything is set up right so that there is no kinks come Monday night. And even if there are some technical kinks, because this is my first time, please just bear with me. But I will have my daughter helping me because she's the more tech savvy person. It's really interesting how the older I get, the longer it takes for me to kind of catch up. But I think, we got it worked out pretty well. But yes, if you see like a test live come up this weekend, that's me, and I will delete it once I'm done. I just wanted to make sure everything works out. But I'm so excited about this live. Now, if you have questions that are more like personal, like you want to ask me detailed portfolio questions and detailed retirement questions and questions that really relate to your personal situation, I would suggest that you guys book a session with me because I can really devote a lot of time and detail. I really like to dig in to your numbers and really help you craft a plan to help you achieve your financial goals. But if you want to ask me like general type of questions, you can ask me some personal questions. You guys know I'm an open book, personal within reason, of course. But yeah, leave all of your questions under that post. I'm hoping that this live can last no more than like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. But if I get a whole lot of questions, I may just split it into two. I'm not sure yet, but we'll kind of see. But yes, I'm going live this Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard. So under this video, can you do like a hashtag Investy Bestie Live? Okay, we'll do that one, Investy Bestie Live, if you plan on being at the live or if you plan on watching the replay of the live. But yes, leave that hashtag down below if you plan on joining me, because I really am looking forward to talking with you guys and really just hanging out. Grab a drink, grab a snack, really come and relax with your sis, and we're just going to talk. We're going to chat, and I'm really going to try not to be long-winded. You guys know I can jab when it comes to money, but I'm going to really try to just keep it personal, exciting, fun, and really get to the answer to some of your questions. So again, guys, I hope that you all have a wonderful weekend. Leave me some questions, guys, and I hope somebody show up to this live so I'm not sitting there talking to myself. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are enjoying this Vlogmas series. Can you believe next week is the last week of this Vlogmas? Oh my goodness, Christmas is next Saturday. It's like crazy. And also, thank you for 2,000 subscribers. I got the alert a couple minutes ago, so it hasn't really set in yet, but thank you so much. I will put up a separate post probably this weekend with that whole 2,000 subscriber certificate thing that YouTube Buddy gives you. But yes, thank you so much for your support, for your love. It's not easy talking about investing. It's not easy talking about retirement, FIRE, but you guys show up and you give me all of your love and support and encouragement, and I do appreciate it. So thank you. And next Friday, which is like my last official Vlogmas video, I will be hosting a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. So until then, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys back here on Monday for our live, and that live will count as our like Vlogmas video for that day. Okay, so you guys have a good one, and I'll see you then. Bye.